Students, let us do another type of factorization. This is the factorization part 2 I am going to discuss about. This is a quadratic equation x square plus 4 root 2x plus 6. So in this quadratic equation we can see the middle term is in the form of surds. This is an irrational number. Okay, so like in the previous video we have already been doing by seeing the last term sign. This is plus here. So what we do, we take the product of the first term and the last term for the factorization. So what we can see, 6 can be factored as 3 into 2. Now this is 3 and 2, both are rational number, but we need irrational in the form of root 2. So what else we can do? This 2 can be written as root 2 and root 2. So we can write this 3 into 2 as 3 root 2 into root 2. Further we have just written this 2 as root 2 and root 2. We know that root 2 gives you 2 only. So this can be written as this form. We can see the first factor as 3 root 2 and the second factor as root 2. Now we see whether this 3 root 2 and root 2 sum is 4 root 2, the middle part. Yes, 3 root 2 and root 2 sum is 4 root 2. So we can see that these two factors are okay for splitting this middle term. Now we move on, x square plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. We have splitted this 4 root 2 as this form and the x is here. Then last term is 6. Now we just open the bracket, 3 root 2x plus root 2x. Distribute this and 6. We make a set. This is first part, this is second part. Now we can see what is common here. X is common, x plus 3 root 2. Plus is here, plus is here. Now root 2x and 6. Now how to check what is common in these two? 6. This 6 can be written as 3 root 2 into 3 into 2. 6 is what? 3 2s are 6. But we need a root 2. Okay, like above also I have told you, 3 into 2 is 6. We need root 2. We can split this as, we can factorize this at 3 root 2 into root 2. The same way, 3 root 2 into root 2. Now, we need only root 2. This is root 2 here. This is 3 root 2 into root 2. Now, we need only root 2 common. Root 2 is already taken here common. So, I have put a tick here. This is common. What is left here? 3 root 2. This 3 root 2 will be now under the bracket because root 2 is common. X plus 3 root 2. Now, we can see x plus 3 root 2, x plus 3 root 2. These two are common. Take it as one part. X plus 3 root 2, another bracket. What are left here? X is left and root 2 is left. Take these two terms together under the bracket. This is done. Now I am going to take another example. This is x square plus 6 root 6 plus 48. Same way we will do 48. Factorize it as 6 into 8. 6 8s are 48. But what we need? We need a root 6. Why I have taken 6 into 8? Because we need certain number like root 6 form. This 6 can be written as 8 root 6 into root 6. Root 6 means 6. Now we see whether this sum 8 root 6 plus root 6, is it 6 root 6? We check now. 8 root 6 plus root 6. This is 9 root 6. But we need 6 root 6. So what else we can do? 8. This 8 can be factored as 4 into 2. This root 6 is here and the second part is root 6. Now what else we can do here? We can see 4 plus 2 is 6. So let this 4 root 6 is here and 2 root 6 is another. So instead of this you can see again check. You can see here 4 root 6 and 2 root 6. This product is what? 4 2s are 8. 8 into 6. Or I can show you here. Since product 4 root 6 into 2 root 6. This is what? 4 2s are 8. Root 6 into 6. 6 8s are 48. This is 48. That means this 48 can further be factorized as 4 root 6. This will be the first factor, and 2 root 6. And we can see their sum. Sum of the factors 4 root 6 plus 2 root 6. This is what? 4 root 6 plus 2 root 6 means 4 plus 2, 6 root 6. This is the middle term. Okay, this is the middle term only. So now this can be splitted as by using what factors? 4 root 6 and 2 root 6. Now we are going to solve it. Now solving, factorizing x square plus 6 root 6 can be written as now 4 root 6 plus 2 root 6 under the bracket x plus last term is 48. Open this bracket, x square plus 4 root 6 plus 2 root 6 x plus 48. Now we can take a set of these two. X is common here, take x here, and then 1x is here plus 4 root 6. Now this is 2 root 6, this is 48. We need 4 root 6. So we can see here, plus is here, plus is here. 2 root 6. X is not common, leave it here. Plus under the bracket it will come 4 root 6. How? Because I have told you 2 root 6 multiplied by 4 root 6 gives you 48 only. 2 root 6 multiplied. The 2 root 6 is common. You can see here, this is here, this is again here. What else will be left under the bracket? 4 root 6. This will take these two terms together, and then this will give you x plus 4 root 6 plus x plus 4 root 6. Then the another bracket will be x plus 2 root 6. This is done. Thank you.